for those unseen. To the hurt who smiled through pain, to the tired who rose again, to the ones still rebuilding slow, brick by brick where ruins grow, to survivors of the dark, still protecting one small spark, to the overlooked who gave more than any praise could save. Hear the hall, hear it ring, some scars shine